In Israel, the vulnerable groups we work with, the elderly, people with disabilities, youth and families at risk, and underserved populations, are heavily impacted by this new reality. JDC Israel is working to meet urgent needs through wide-scale efforts across the country. For example, we provide essential care services to 100,000 homebound elderly in 140 of Israel's poorest municipalities. This includes providing medicine, housekeeping, home repairs, transportation for caregivers, and a call center for virtual assistance. We're training hundreds of care providers across the country to work remotely and to work safely in person. These include people working in over 300 geriatric institutions, those caring for people with disabilities, and professionals working with kids and families at risk. We've created online services, videos and infographics in Hebrew, in Arabic, in Russian, in Amharic, and in English to provide guidelines, best practices, and other vital information to over 1 million people, including vulnerable people and those who care for them. For people who are unemployed or on unpaid leave and may lose their jobs, we have developed skill-building content for in-demand fields, highlighting alternative employment opportunities and adapting training courses for distant learning. We're also planning new strategies for employment services for the day after, which will likely see Israel's unemployment rate 3 times higher than it was before the crisis. We're coordinating efforts across government ministries, municipalities, and civil society to identify and rapidly meet the needs of extremely vulnerable Bedouin populations in the Negev, as well as other needy populations. We're also working to find responses for the massive needs of nonprofit organizations struggling to continue providing services to increasingly desperate Israelis. For example, by helping match corporate responsibility efforts to some of these needs. JDC is determined to see Israel and its people through these trying times. We know that along with our partners and with our incredible staff and volunteers, we will continue to serve those who need us most and to help bring Israel through this crisis. Thank you.